Hi friends, in my meditation group and other places too. Just want to show you, it's the end of the day. The camera actually makes it look lighter than what it is, but you know, end of a beautiful stormy day. The sun's gone down, but I'll go out into the waves a little bit just to show you around the corner and the beautiful ocean at night. Very beautiful evening. And the city lights are on. As you can see, as I said, that sky is actually darker than what the camera shows, so I don't know how to adjust the light, but it's very black over there. Just may not look at it, but yeah, enjoy. Take it easy, my friends.